everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing an aquarium toolkit. I do not have an aquarium. I actually got it because I have plants and that's what it's for. It's for taking care of your plants in an aquarium, but I have plants like this, so I figured it would be great for that as well. It is sold on Amazon and it retails for $15.99, so really good deal. And it is steel, so it's not going to get all nasty. I will actually be linking this where you can purchase it down in the description box below. So it came really well wrapped. So this is how it comes in this little pretty carrying case. Ooh. And these are all the tools. So you can actually use this not just for aquarium, for a terrarium as well, to get down in there. If you have one, I know that they're coming really popular. I actually want one really bad for some of my harder plants to take care of them. If you have a plant that needs super high humidity, terrariums are really good for that. So it has these long tweezers so that you can go out down in there and you can grab something if you need it. And they do have these little, it's like serrated so that it can get a good grip. So it has those. It has this piece right here, which is a scraper. It has a two-sided, so this one's more thin if you really need to get down in there. You can use it for like just scraping around soil or moving stuff around along with that side just to get down in there. They are really good quality. And this one's like a lot smaller than this side. Super nice. It has some other tweezers. These ones are more slanted and these ones are straight. So if you're needing something, this is good, I guess, if you need to get in there and get something that's slanted, more at an angle, and this one's more for something straight. And it does have the serrated edges as well. So super nice. Then it has some scissors as well if you need to get down in there and cut, maybe trim up a plant. So super nice for that. They're probably, I would say, about 12 inches long. Let me go ahead and see. I think I have a ruler. No, not quite 12. It is about about 9, almost 10. So it's almost 10 inches long. So it's not quite 12 inches long. But look at those suckers. That is really nice. This is actually really good if you want to just trim up your plants. I like to propagate, so this would be really good for cutting your plants to propagate. Maybe you got a node or something way down in there that you want to get. So yes, it comes with all of these and the carrying case for $15.99. That's a really good deal. And I know that I will be putting these to use, and I'll probably be using them for more than just plants. I mean, if you have something stuck somewhere, that is awesome to have a tweezer that long. Even if your kids like stick something like up their nose or something and you need something super long. I know that you guys have been in positions like, man, you drop something, you can't get it, and you need something a little bit longer than your regular tweezer. I think that's awesome to have. So you can actually use this, like if you're going to cut something to propagate it, hold it with this, cut it with this end, and then you can just pull it out. Super easy and not damage your plant, especially if you have it like on a moss pole or something. That would be, this would be really good to use for that. Just great. I'm going to be definitely using these. You already know me. I'm going to be using these. But yeah, that completes this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell down in the corner below. That way you'll be notified every time that I do upload a video. But until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye. God bless.